Hey guys, and today I'm gonna show you DC League of Super Pets DVD boxing. I got into Walmart today and there's voice acting of Dwayne Johnson and Kevin Hart. So yeah, this movie just came out today. The DVD ones came out today. So there's a dog, these two dogs and the odd animals in there, and there's a kitty cat in there. So anyways, here's the front, the spine, and there's the back. Sit, stay, save the world. And there's special features of behind the super voices. This is from Warner Brothers Pictures and Warner Animation Group and DC. And there's rated PG for action, male violence, language, and rude humor. Except using the bleed effect. So anyways, let's get open. See, there's DC Leagues of Super Pets, the Great Mix Syrup up in there. And there's a Bat Wheels in there. And here's a disc of DC League of Super Pets. So that's his DC League of Pets DVD boxing. I enjoyed this movie. So that's bye. Take care. See you next time.